Welcome back to our channel. Today we are making an authentic Nihari recipe. So if you are a fan of mutton, this recipe is a must-have. So the lamb leg pieces, slow cooked along with brown onions and myriads of masalas. So let's begin. Now we are going to make the fried onions. For that, add oil. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onions. I want to share an interesting fact about this recipe. Mughals introduced this recipe. Traditionally, Nihari was cooked all night and then served to the kings in the breakfast after their morning prayers. It has many health benefits. Now the next process is to cook the trotters. For that I have taken 1 kg trotters. I am adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 tablespoons of Nihari masala powder. Since it is a slow cook process, you have to cook in the pressure cooker for 45 to 50 minutes. Add salt and 3 cups of water. So first cook in high flame, then reduce it to the lowest and cook. Dry roast 2 tablespoons of flour. Now cook it for another 10 minutes and garnish it with coriander leaves, green chilies, ginger and lime juice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tempting recipes.